friends. Today we're going to work on some directional cues, or knowing where to place your body in relationship to another object. And we're also going to be learning about how to move our body, okay? That means in space, how we move around. So you might want to get together some items. I got my stuffed animal, or a rolled up sock, or your beanbag, or hey, piece of paper. This isn't too, simple little things you can choose from. I'm going to choose to use my bigger stuffed animal just so you can see it on my video, okay? All right, so you're going to place your item, make sure you can see it, there we go, on the floor. And I'm going to give you some directions, okay? So I'm going to stand off a little bit over here, and I'm going to say, can you please stand in front of your object? In front. In front. If you put yourself so that your body is in front of your object, meaning my object is behind me right now, back there, you are standing in front of your object. Nice job. Okay, next one. I'm going to move off over here. Can you stand next to your object? Next to. Okay. If you put your body right next to your object, either side is okay. You got it. I am standing next to my crazy little animal down there. Good job. Okay. Can you, let me move my body over again, can you stand behind your object? So let's see, thinking behind your object. If you put your body so that the object is in front of you, you're standing behind your wonderful little object that you have chosen to work with. Okay, now we're going to move on to other things. So what I would like you to do is, can you gallop around your animal? Gallop. Going to go 3 times around. There's 1. There's 2. And 3. Great job. Can you skip around your object? Let's remember, step together. Whoops, no. Step, hop, step, hop, step, hop, step, hop, step, hop around your object. Very nice. Can you do a side slide around your object? 3 times. I'm going to go in the opposite direction. Step together. Notice I'm leading with my side, right? That's the big difference. Very good. Okay, how about jumping? Remember, jumping 2 feet. I want you to jump over and back over your beanbag 10 times. It would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Going 10 times. Nice job. Okay, when you are done with that, I want you to hop over your object 10 times. Remember, hop 1 foot. Hop over, forward, and back over your bag. Looks like this. 1. And then backwards. Whoops, I stepped on mine. Be careful that you don't do that. Jump higher than I did. Very nice. Hop. And if you want to hop backwards, hop. Very good. 10 times. Next one you're going to try is leaping. Leaping. Take off with 1 foot. Leap. 1, 2, and go all the way up to 10. Good job. Okay, now some fitness stuff. I'm going to move my object out in front of me. I want you to get in what we call a plank position. Plank. Remember that? Arms are straight. There's my object. Maybe put them there so you can see it. Very good. Okay, what I want you to do now is I want you to back your body up using just your hands. Ta-da, it's called an inchworm. You're gonna bend down, inch your body out, get your beanbag, touch it, come back up. You're gonna do that 10 times. So that's 1, and that's 2. You're gonna do that 10 times. Remember, you can pause the video and do the exercises, okay? So every time I've asked you to do these things 10 times. So just make sure you're practicing those skills on your own, even though I might not be doing all 10 of them, okay? Great. Then we're going to do what we call the plank tap. So just like you were doing with the inchworm, you're gonna take your beanbag and go tap, tap, and you're gonna pick it up, tap your shoulder, tap your head, tap your back if you want, but back and forth, and you're doing that 10 times. Excellent. All right, we gotta work out our tummy now. So I'm just gonna angle my phone so you can see what I'm doing. Here we go. I want you to be on your tummy, and I want you to be able to pick up your object and lift it up and down and up and down. How many times? 10. Woohoo! All right, after you've done that, this is our last one, and that's a wall sit with your baby. So you're gonna bring your item over. Let me raise up my video so you can see what I'm doing. Find a wall, get into a wall sit. Looks like you're sitting in a chair, and you got your little beanbag, and just a little toss and catch, and count to 10, 9, 8, 7, you get the idea. So remember, friends, I gave you a bunch of things to do. Everything you do at least 10 times, challenge yourself. Do more than 10. It's okay. Nice workout.